Okay, Grace. I'm looking for the comps for you, which is basically Sunridge. This is the subdivision, and it's a single story, so we're not gonna look at two stories. I put it back to 180 days because there's not enough comps, right? Okay, so this property, let's look at the map because we just want to make sure that we're within the same community. So that's where we're at, Sunridge Heights, basically. And so you're like Green Valley Ranch is up here. McDonald Ranch is a really, really nice community. Very expensive location. Okay, so let me go back to this and I'm gonna show you the results. Okay, so the last two that sold in October in this community, one was 775. List price, sold price 755, so it's like 277 per square foot. And then this one is higher in price, 1.4, 1.3 cash. And this one was in very good condition, so for 277.57 a square foot. And the asking price is let's see, this one, the asking price on Anchor Gate is 277 per square foot. So basically what happens is the price per square foot usually for the the bigger properties is lower. So 27.20 per square foot at 277 per square foot. Usually, I'm going to show you right now, the price per square foot is lower. So usually if it's smaller, the price per square foot should be higher. So this one is the property. Look at the kitchen. It's a little bit dated. So original maple cabinets. And let's see. Okay, so it has a pool. Okay. With a pool and the square footage, and the price per square foot is 277 is really, really, low. So the one that you're in does not have a pool. So it's pretty fair because it doesn't have a pool and it's a smaller property. So the price per square foot would be okay. Next one is too expensive. I'm not gonna look at it because it's over $1 million. All right, so for the one that we're looking at, this one is the second smallest, 2346 square foot. Oh, it also has a pool and it's asking for $699. Serenity Hollow active. So under contract, the last one on Timber Walk, 289.75. So basically, it's still a pretty good price, given that this one is 1980, which is small. So 1980 should have the highest price per square foot, but it is at the 277. So I think that the price is pretty good. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to run a 1 mile radius. So 1 mile radius, I'm going to look at and it's a 3-car garage, 1980, and then on a 7,000 square foot lot. Okay, so let me go back in here just to make sure that all these are 3-car garages. Okay, so the second one is not a 3-car garage, so we're not gonna even look at that. All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna redo this. So I'm gonna say 1 mile, and let's the anchor. Okay, and then I'm gonna remove the subdivision. That's how we check the 1 mile radius. And then the square footage is 1980 to 1980. 1980, so we add 200 square feet and then minus 200 square feet. Okay, so and then we're gonna make sure that this is a 1-story. There are 11 matches, and then I'll show you the map real quick. Okay, so we're doing a 1 mile radius search right now, and then we're gonna check and see, and then we're gonna change the criteria to the last 90 days. Okay, because that's what normally the appraisers look at. All right, so we're gonna do that, and then we have a 7 match. So this would be very, very comparable. So the closest one that sold is January 24th on Pansy and sold for 500,000 cash, and it sold in fair condition. So fair condition means not as good. But this is also smaller, 1836. So usually the smaller the house, the price per square foot is usually higher. And then ours is a single story, which is this one. Okay, and it's got a 4-bedroom instead of 3-bedroom. And let's see, there was a pool on that one, and it's a 3-car garage. Okay, so 3-car garage with a pool, and sold for 500,000. A little bit smaller. So let's see. The next one is 1963, very comparable, and that's 274, and we are at 277. Let's see what else. But that's only 3 bedrooms. We have a 4-bedroom, so 4-bedroom is worth more, and no solar. In 7 days, it was gone already. 7 days on market. That was built in 2001, and our subject property is built in 1998. Okay, so I would say that this one is a pretty good comp at 274 per square foot. This one. Okay, let's see, at 539. And there was owner with the tenant. Let's see. Alright, so it looks like a 2-car garage. I don't know where is the 3rd car. Could be a tandem. And if it's tandem, then it's worth less. Backyard is huge. Okay. Alright, huge backyard. But the kitchen looks like it's redone. Looks like it's redone. So yeah, it's only a 2-car garage. So basically the 2-car garage, our subject property is a 3-car garage, but then this one only has a 3-bedroom, and ours is a 4-bedroom. So ours is 4-bedroom, so that's better. And then we have a 3-car garage, so it's better. And our price will be a little bit higher than this 275 a square foot, technically speaking. So let me run you these comps. Okay, and this was on the market for only 7 days. $1,000 contribution. Yep. So let me just give you this comparable and send you the CMA. Thank you. I'll send it to you right now once this thing is done.